I think everyone's problem, Mama.
I'm the S6s.
G is already starting.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag har sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha någon som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i men när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby.
Good morning fam, good morning. Welcome back to yet another vlog. So we were up quite early, like very early, but yes, I didn't really get out of bed up until 6:10 to shower. So like I'm done with everything that I needed to do quickly before starting my day. And yes, welcome back to yet another vlog. I'm happy to be here and thank you for being here with me. So I just want to quickly make tea and then start off my day. So what we did earlier in the morning was just order the microwave. Our microwave broke, so we needed a new one, and I saw one on sale and Takealot. So when the money hit the bank account, I was like, actually, let me just get the microwave now, and then the rest will follow later. But yes, now we have a microwave. I'm so excited to see it tomorrow. Fingers crossed it does come tomorrow, but because I took next day delivery. But let's see what happens because I ordered quite early in the morning. Otherwise, let's make tea.
Tillbaka någonting av det jag har sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha någon som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i men när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby. Bara en chans till, tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life. För många nätter på att lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Den här gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har någonting med dig.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight.
So she just told me that he's gonna be a bit late because he had chess practice. So I'm actually thinking, let me rather make lunch, because if I don't do that, I think we're gonna end up being late for the gym, because today's gym session's at 5 o'clock instead of 5:30. So I think I'm just gonna quickly make lunch. Once he gets here, we're gonna eat and then make our way. I don't think you guys will see him before. You'll probably see him when we're leaving. So yeah, let's make lunch. I think I'm gonna make Eva on toast. Yeah, I think that's what I'm craving. And then for drinks, I'm not sure, because G doesn't like coffee, so I don't know what to make. I might as well make coffee, because he's not here to say no.
Got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried to heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I do. Why do I? You want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
Imali you'll never see it. Kurinje, once it hits the account, if it is. Mara now we as this is trial. Wait, uphila bo? But manje, it's not on. And ayisebenzi nokusebenza futhi le nto yakhona. Good, thanks. How are you? Ay, keep pull. Keep pull. Thanks, mama. Ooh, it's so cold. Hello. Yo, like it's cold.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed. Always wanna feel like this. Feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this.
Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna forget, and we reverse the fall. Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna forget, and we reverse the fall. I can still remember the first time that we kissed. Feeling light as a feather.
But at some point we mess up, right? Sure. And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall?
Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna forget, and we reverse the fall. Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna forget, and we reverse the fall.
Oh, looking back, yeah. Oh, looking back.
Finally done with class. We are going to make our way home soon. Yeah, we almost died. Pablo's first time was interesting, but I'd wonder before she came. There she is, Shemai. She's finished, Ara. Bye-bye. Thank you. What are you taking?
The usual. Please give me very.
Better than usual. You don't want problems.
Att jag skulle fastna här ikväll.
No change. Thank you so much. No, the change is a lot. Because going to the office from not going to the office.
Som jag drömde om och sagt förut. Vill inte höra mig, baby. Det är dags att ta beslut.
actually very sweet. Pushani vele, like vacation you better enjoy in terms of everything overall.
Everything. I don't want that's already iPhone. Pictures must be, you know.
You're not gonna, you're just taking your face.
Body lana must, yeah.
The only picture is Kiki. Here's where we're staying. Oh, here's the beach. Oh, we're on Liar's Head. And most of your pictures, the ones that I saw, the ones where you were in Cape Town. So wait, Jimela vele Cape Town. Now that.
Give me motivation to go to gym. That the thing is that this time I don't wanna leave. Gotta push up until
I think everyone's problem, Mamakuru, even with us, we went hard for 3 months. After that, but imagine you can see and feel yourself. You're like, one day.
3 months, another 3 months or 4 months break.
It's December. Done.
It's December, Jillian casted all the.
Hi fam, good morning, happy Friday. I'm quickly going to get my nails done. I'm always in a rush as usual, but yes, I'm getting my nails done. I've decided to get them done because they're breaking. Well, I broke 1 or 2 and I just don't like how they look now, so I'm thinking let me just get my nails done. And I have a few events coming up anyway, so I might as well look nice. Let me just show you guys what I'm wearing. Nothing fancy, just comfortable clothes. Ooh, I'm not, being in a rush is not for me. Just comfy clothes, and then I'm gonna head out. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. It's Crocs, socks, and then sweatpants, and this knitwear kind of feel. But yeah, this is how I look for today. I'm feeling very comfortable and warm. But yeah, let's get going. 3215.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why I got you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Baby, stop telling me lies. Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life. in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worried that it won't be enough. Yeah. Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie, really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to give.
Hi fam, good evening. Yeah, today was a long day. Well, long-ish. So since we left at 10 o'clock, I only came back at 2:30. Like literally got back 2:30 and G got here at 3, ne? Yeah, she got home at 3. I was just continuing with my work stuff while I waited for Uchi. But yes, the nails went really well. I had a nail inspo that I saw from Oheda Bongi. She's also a YouTuber, so I saw it on Instagram, right? And then she tagged her nail tag. So when I went to Eve, I changed my nail tag mainly because of that. But yeah, I love the nails. I showed you guys on up close kinda, but they're really nice and cute. Yeah, so
Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I'm good. I saw the nails. It's not what I chose, but it's what she chose. But I love them either way. Yes. What else? Yes, we got a microwave.
Yes, that's actually exciting. We're gonna show you guys tomorrow because now there's no more time anymore. But we're definitely gonna show you guys. We're gonna unbox our microwave, guys. You're not having a micro.
It's a hassle. Yeah, I never thought, but yeah, not having a microwave is a hassle. But yeah, we're going. We've never been to a Papapronto before.
Yeah, because you always said it's always full.
It's always been full. Like anybody who's driven past
it's always
Papapronto, SA, Vetkoppen, it's always full. But yeah, we're gonna go today. So hopefully it's a nice time.
Yeah.
Then Mesbuya also, there might be a plan, but we'll see when we just be on Kati. But yes, I wanted to say hello, because I haven't seen you guys
in forever.
Because yeah,
because he runs away all the time.
No,
I take out the camera. He's like, I'm shy.
I was at work.
I'm joking. Yeah, he works for a living. He earns his money.
Yes, that also. But yes, we'll talk or see you guys really soon.
Yes, we'll see you guys when we get there.
Okay, let's go.
Show me the car when you turn me on, when you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, 'cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them the cinema hardcore. 'Cause you a bad man if she don't know man. She break her real fast like gunman. When they swim down to the deep end, when they know all my secrets, honestly, then you can be real, 'cause honestly, I can tell you.
Okay, so we finally got here. As usual, we are early birds. She's looking at the menu.
Oh, you're lying. You always late.
I mean, you hate me. You hate me.
She's lying.
Yeah, he hates me. But yes, we're looking at the menu. We're probably gonna do drinks up until everybody else arrives because we're supposed to meet at 8 anyway, and this is like 7 o'clock. But I'm not mad at being early compared to being late. But yeah, this is us here. It's quite a cozy and a place. I've got a fireplace. I'll probably show you guys when we exit because I couldn't show you guys when we came in. We're still looking for a table. But we got a cute table. You see the two of us here. A lover's nest. Yo, I need to know the really.
Get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gonna me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and slow.
This is drink number 1. I got a margarita, of course. Cheers. She got the mojito. This is how it looks. It looks cute. She's very happy with this drink. They got it right.
Yeah, I'm happy with my mojito. The last time, let me say, I haven't had a mojito in a while.
Because they ruined it
Yeah,
for you, Shane.
because Braai, they ruined it. It's Sixers, actually.
Yeah,
They
not the
ruined
whole
it for
Braai.
me.
Not Melville.
Yes, a Melville. Sorry.
That's what you get for going back to Melville when you're a whole adult.
At my big age.
It's
no?
your big age.
But yeah, anyway, it's good. Nicely balanced and everything. Hey, Mina, very scarcely a time I'm paying. I don't get a time, it's fine.
Give me one margarita.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her.
Good afternoon. Hi fam. Welcome back to yet another day. We are still alive. We came back a bit late yesterday, but not too late. I think we're home by 10:30 if I'm not mistaken. We got home, we slept, and we woke up a bit early to tidy up the house. And now we are going to make our way to Jackal Creek Corner because we need meat at Meatworld. So we're thinking let's rather get the meat now instead of trying to do everything during the week because there's gym. So we don't really get enough time to do other things during the week. But yeah, G's busy. He's trying to get us Uber to get us there. So that's why he's not here, but he's here. I'm going with him and we'll see you guys when we get there.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we
Teddy P.
Don't wanna hear it.
I saw Teddy P.
I wanna see it. See
Something.
rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help that the sweet talk. I'm on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me.
You just smell it.
No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long.
This man, okay.
Don't want nothing here on earth, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. 너를 뭐해 발끈한 후에 난 말을 뭐해 늘 그렇게
We are finally back. It was quick, relatively quick. We left at 1:30 or just before 2. Got there and we started at Pep Home because I wanted to get. I'll show you guys what I got at Pep Home. Then we went to Clicks, and then we went to Meatworld, the place that we're supposed to really go to. So this was a bulk buy for the coming 3 or 4 months with meat. Like it's a lot of meat, but it's not for now. Like we are not carnivores, fam. We really aren't. He loves meat. I don't love meat, but we just eat meat here and there. We try not to eat too much of it. But yes, yes.
Yes. We went to Meatworld. Yeah, we went to Meatworld. That's usually where we go stock up.
Yeah.
I think we've received a few other suggestions, but we haven't had the opportunity to try them. But yeah, we went
Should I
in
just
and
the one
bought.
that Lele say, the one that Ryan. Yeah.
So yeah, we bought a bit of meat. But yeah,
Eggs.
like Mai is saying, we're not Amazimzim.
Ew.
Yes, we're not Amazimzim, but it's a thing of we usually try by, like whenever we can, we have access to money, we try buy in bulk. I think that's something that my mom and my dad taught me since it's Sakura. It was a thing that if you come across a macro, we'll buy for 3 months and izinto is corner. So that's sort of something that I thought sort of worked. I think Nagini means that.
Yeah, also my family is the same. So it was easy for us to justify spending a certain amount of money in one go. But then knowing that by the time we go like 3 months, literally you just top up fruits, veggies. We haven't really been buying groceries actually. Inyama sitting so much, kanipela manje, and we haven't been even buying to top up. Yeah.
So yeah, please ninga magani. But yes, let's unpack.
Okay. We'll start with the meat so that we can portion it. As usual, we have to portion the meat together. Let's work. Fish. Mince. So remember I had a problem with the mince, né? But I found good meats at Meatworld, I think. Wors. These I'm obsessed with now. I never really used to want to buy these, but they make my life easy with the stir fries and the wraps.
Thank you too.
Thank you to Daddy.
Yes. Thank you to me.
Thanks, Daddy. Yeah, another packet, obviously. And then, okay, bacon. Boring. I thought it was the nice stuff. There's something nice that I want to show you, fam. Breasts. steak. And we tried something new. It's a hamper of beef, different cuts of beef, short rib, brisket, chuck, stewing beef. We always avoid it because we're thinking it's too big, but
Yeah. Like usually when we used to shop month on month, it was too much meat. But now because we are shopping for a longer period of time, I think that the price is sort of justified. Yeah.
what's this?
Just kidney.
Kidney for G.
For G, yes.
I don't like
I'm
kidney.
very hungry, so I'm
Oh,
gonna fry
steak
this
and
up.
kidney. That doesn't fry, it doesn't cook fast.
It does. I know how to do it. So anyways,
Porky. This is mainly for G. He loves porky. I don't like pork actually, but G likes porky, so we get porky for him. Yeah, it's an exciting one. Ta-dam, ta-dam. We've never cooked oxtail together. We've had oxtail cooked by Carol. We've had oxtail cooked by, wait, I've had it separately also. I haven't had oxtail often. Like I really have had oxtail probably 3 times in my entire life. And it wasn't cooked by me or us. And we bought a bit of oxtail to cook together.
yes.
This is like our month and spoil because we work very hard.
Hey.
We work hard to just buy groceries.
Yeah, so Simon Mzimbo 7 Thank everybody that works.
Chicken polony and a ham roll for lunch.
For lunch, yes.
Another set of fillets because not chicken. And a whole lot of drumsticks. I prefer thighs to drumsticks, but I usually get whatever is more affordable at the time. So at Meatworld they always have both, but I don't know why I ended up with eggs.
Thanks.
Okay,
This
let's
is
play
what
away.
we call it. Oh, this is for later.
Yeah, let's take away the meat quickly so that we can
Okay.
get the ball rolling.
계획 없이 떠나볼래 다 내려놓고 괜찮을 거야 We'll be back 멀리 날아오르자 No worries I'll be by your side 인생의 신변아 yeah. Oh let it breathe Just be yourself 너를 위한 달콤한 시간 Yeah, say 어릴 적 외상에 보면 그리워져 문득 떠오르는 나 때는 말야 이렇군 저렇군 We had no idea back then When was the last time you had no worries 시간
So we just finished with the grocery packing and everything, and Uchi has already started with his kidney. He is not very far off finishing, but we are pushing time because we've got a Braai with friends. As usual, the same group of friends. But yes, I'm super excited because we haven't seen each other in like forever. Yeah, it's been quite a while. So they're gonna come over for a Braai. I think we said 6 o'clock, so it's 5:15. So we're still okay on time. Just like she was very hungry and wanted to eat before. And then we'll cook later all together. And then we also had to get a few stuff from Checker 60. So I'm gonna quickly take away that. And then we're gonna unbox the microwave and what we got at Pep and Clicks. Yeah.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place.
The kidneys go in. I was busy saying I don't want them, but they go in so good. So we're snacking on the kidneys with some Nando's peri medium sauce. Too good. This is the microwave. This is our microwave, fam. We bought a microwave together. Thank you so much, fam. We couldn't have done this without you, fam, and thank you so much. And yeah, now we can have warm milk. Push us up. So it got delivered on Friday when I was leaving for the salon. So I quickly took the order and then I went to Eve. Isola, we came back, obviously we had other plans and we didn't get to open this. In the morning we woke up, we cleaned with other plans. We're getting into it now because we might need to use it later on while we warm up the food or whatever. But yeah, we got a bigger one this time around. Initially it was a 20 liter and it's bigger than what I thought. People like it looks smaller in person, which is weird. But yeah, come get a closer look.
Okay. So here's our new baby. And lesson learned, because this time no button. So it's just an open and close. Like our old microwave still works fine, guys. But because this, or rather this one here inside doesn't work anymore, we can't use it. So this is our new baby. This goes in here.
Singapore.
Oh. Thank you. So yeah.
Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place.
So I got an order from Zulz. They were calling because some things were not going together well. I don't know where we left off, but we're gonna continue with these diffusers. It's refills. I know we said we are obsessed and we are loving also Heavenly, right? But these were on special. I thought let's give it a try. It's the Serengeti range. We've got Malawian sage. I don't know about sage because sage is in paper, right? I don't know how it smells or how it's gonna smell in the house. Then we've got Ghanaian peony. We've got Impala lily. Sorry about that. And then we've got another Malawian sage. I think we've got almost two of each. Or we couldn't really get to 6 because don't mind she's unpacking the box just behind me. So yeah, this is another Ghanaian peony. So I think we got two and one of these ones, and we actually finished these at the clicks we went to because they were 90 rand on special with a discount from 180. They went to 90 rand and we got them at 54 rand. How lucky are we? Okay, that's out. I'm done with that. And I think this is just shopper bags. I don't think there is anything else. Nah, there isn't anything else for you guys here. This is like this is a secret. But yes, we're done. Let me refill the diffusers because they also empty. Let me quickly refill. Then I'm gonna burn some of this a bit because the house smells like kidney. It smells like a whole lot of things actually. And I think it's this bag that we have here because uchi uzule waya labayenza inyama choma corn. And then washa, like they were braaiing and everything smells like braai meat. And we don't even have braai meat yet. But yes. It's giving perfume, hey? Cheese already starting. So cheese starting on the fire. We're gonna keep warm while we wait. But we'll see you guys when we are braaiing and enjoying our food. So we're only gonna make salsa. Kara wants to make chakalaka, pap, salsa and chakalaka. So it's not a lot of things and the meat, but
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
It's not.
Wanna overthink it,
Who's
baby.
me now? I excited.
Baby, you
Nanti when I'm busy, you know, every morning when I go to work, I'm like, wherever he is, you know, I can't breathe. Nanti I'm sleeping.
baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here